Hey, good morning everyone. It's Roger.
Hey Josh.
And we are Raptor Pack RVing. Today we're coming to you with our first how-to video.
Yes.
And we had a new product delivered to us. And what is it, Josh? It is the RV snap pads. Now, you might have seen these on trailers. I got good friends of ours that we travel with. They have them on theirs. And these eliminate the need to have to put we call them Legos or the plastic pads down. Yeah. Because when you go into an RV park, maybe even a campground, if it's a concrete pad, parks require that you put something down underneath your jack so the weight of the trailer doesn't cause the pad to crack, because they're about 9 inches. With these RV snap pads, these will snap onto the bottom of the landing gear and gives you about an additional 1.5 inches in circumference, which eliminates the need to have to put Legos down. But that's your job, is to get all the Legos out of the trailer.
It is my job.
But if we put this on, then what are you gonna do?
Sit this down.
Oh, you're gonna just set it down, push a little button.
Push the button.
Okay. Well, we're going to walk you through the proper installation of a snap pad on your trailer, show you what they look like. What's really cool with these, though, is they're all made with recycled tires. So it's environmentally, I guess, correct. That's a good thing. When you get your pads, you'll get 6 of them in a box. It comes with very easy instructions on how to do it.
One in my face. Hey!
So, we're gonna have some fun here, doing our first how-to video. So, are you ready to show the fine folks out there, Josh, how to do this?
Yes, let's do it.
Okay. All right, let's get out there. Here we are. We are at the front, and what do you want to show them, Josh?
I want to show you here's the front of the landing gear.
And what are we required to put down right now, the way it is?
Legos.
The Legos, the yellow Legos.
Yellow Legos.
Okay. So, with the addition of the snap pad, what we are going to be doing is this snap pad will attach under the landing gear, which eliminates the need. Will we have to use this anymore?
No.
No. That eliminates the need to have to put Legos down. So first thing we want to do is make sure your landing gear is all clean. You don't want to be putting that, because once this gets attached to the snap pad, it doesn't come off. So we're going to want to make sure that our landing gear is nice and clean, right?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, step 1. First thing you want to do is you got to back the truck up, get the truck backed up, and you're going to want to put your fifth wheel, your trailer back on your truck, get those front jacks up. So, all right, Josh.
All right.
You ready to back this thing up?
Yeah.
All right, buddy. Let's back her up. Okay, bring her back. Is this your first time doing this?
Yes.
All right. All right, back her up. All right, Josh. Good, stop. Good job, buddy. All right, we're hooked up. Let's get the jacks up. All right, big guy. Good job.
If I put the pads on, we need to clean the jack.
All right, let's get to it.
You put the dish soap around the edges of the pad.
All right. That way, the pad will snap onto the leveler.
Yeah.
A lot easier, huh? Okay, like Josh said, it's a lot easier because this pad has to snap onto the bottom. Take a little bit of dish soap and just put a little bead like Josh did on the other side.
Yeah.
Just put a little bead around and put a little bit on your landing gear around. take it on both top and bottom. That way when the pad comes down, it'll snap on pretty easy. Okay, Josh, I'm gonna go over there and do the motor. I need you to make sure as the jack comes down, it goes right into the middle of this, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so you line it up.
It is lined up.
Josh, ready?
Yeah.
Go slow.
Okay, line it up, Josh.
Stop. It looks pretty good, Josh.
Okay, as soon as you get the front two on, you can go ahead and disconnect your truck. Let it sit on the front jack. We're going to bring up the other four. Do it the same way you did this. Use your dish soap. You saw how easy it was to pop in. And now this is stationary. What's cool, no more having to use blocks. This is all we'll have to do when we come into a part. So, Josh, you want to pull the truck out for me?
Yes.
All right. All right, buddy. Go ahead and get in the truck and let's pull this thing out and we'll get the other four done. All right. That's good, buddy. Good job, bud.
Yep.
All right. Go ahead and shut her off. Let's get on those other four. Cool. Get it done, buddy.
Get it done, man.
Good job, buddy. You did it. Okay. Is all the landing gear clean?
Yes.
So now let's go put the last four snap pads on. Good job. All right. Yep. What's up? So there you have it. Josh, you did a good job. So you can see with the snap pads on, it's a real clean look. No more having to put down supports, or I see a lot of people use the wood blocks, Legos. With these snap pads, all 6 jacks, they stay on, and
While you're driving.
and they never come off. So yeah, good job, buddy. We did it. Hey, from Raptor Pack RVing to you, travel more, stress less, and until our next video, we'll talk to you later. See ya.
See ya.
See ya.
Bye. It's Roger.
Hey, Josh.
God, Dad. Okay, look at the camera. Go ahead. Good morning, everyone. Hey, it's Roger.
Hey, Josh.
And we are Raptor Pack
Pack
RVing. Point leveling system, and they are called what? Snap pads.
Snap pads.
God. Hey, good morning, everyone. Hey, it's Roger.
Hey, Josh.
You waited too long. Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Roger.
Hey, Josh.
You don't have to yell at him. Okay.